Hello everybody, this is Orange Productions right over here, and today I'm going to unbox a very exciting find that I got on Carousell, which is the Singaporean equivalent to websites such as Mercari and Gumtree for instance. This guy, he was basically selling me this Nokia Lumia 1020 plus a lot of additional accessories at the grand bargain of 40 Singapore dollars, which is very good given that most Lumia 1020s in the second-hand market you see retail for triple digits. This was a special package for customers who had pre-ordered the Nokia Lumia 1020 when it was brand new in October 2013. As you can see right over here, it comes with the 1020 itself as well as an additional camera grip, which nominally would have cost about 98 Singapore dollars separately. The back of the box, we have the specs, and here we have the serial numbers. The rest of the box is generally nothing to really see. So you open this box through a nice pull tab here. Pardon me, because this box has clearly been opened before by the previous owner. It's also interesting that this one also has the wireless charging shelf for the Nokia Lumia 1020 included in the bundle as well, as you can see right over there. This was because the Nokia Lumia 1020 doesn't include wireless charging on its own, so you had to buy this special charging shelf if you wanted to go with C wireless charging. And by the way, it also included this nice bonus Nokia wireless charger, model number DT900. It actually glows up when your phone is being charged using Qi wireless charging, and it works with other phones such as the Galaxy Note 8, which also has Qi wireless charging. Quite good. This is the box itself for the 1020. All we have here are just some quick start guides and the usual documentation. But here's what I find quite interesting, because this is an interesting pamphlet regarding to what the phone is actually capable of. Because as you can read right over here, it's actually talking about optical image stabilization inside the Lumia 1020, which was not a very common sight in most mobile phones when it was first released. And it doesn't have the usual charger, USB cable and earphones inside the box, because the previous owner had apparently taken them out at some point and forgotten where they were. But I do have the accessories for the Nokia Lumia 930, which are probably more or less identical to the bundled charger, USB cable and earphones that would have been originally included inside this 1020 box. Okay, let's take a look at this box. This is the Lumia 1020 camera grip. It has never been opened before by the previous seller. I did open it about once or twice to check the contents inside, and it's working perfectly fine except for one glaring fault. Okay, here, this part, this soft rubbery part has become sticky due to age. That is how these kind of plastics tend to naturally degrade over time, unfortunately. But other than that, the camera grip is still working good. It worked well and I tested and it works correctly. Here is the shutter button, and this is where you charge it from the plug into a wall adapter. It basically acts as a sort of a mini power bank. Inside, it has a battery 1020 milliamp hours. Teardowns have revealed that this battery is actually the same as the Nokia BL5C battery over here. So it was quite a missed opportunity, because they could have made this battery inside the BL5C removable. Then it could be more like a typical camera where you can swap batteries in and out, I really suppose. And in addition to this, we have what is a mock-up of the 1020 itself. Inside this information sleeve, we just get some instruction manuals in various different languages on how to use a camera grip. I won't go into detail about these things since I assume you're not interested in it. And last but not least, here, there's another very small box you might have not been paying attention to if you're unboxing this. And when you open it, it's quite hollow inside, because all you get is just the leather strap for the camera grip itself. I'm not sure where it goes to, but right now, as what I can see is that at the bottom, we have the standard tripod screw for you to mount on the tripod itself. And here is the Lumia 1020, it's full glory. Here I'm going to compare it to the Nokia Lumia 925. They have essentially more or less the same specs except for the camera and the build quality. And here's a comparison to a 2013 Android flagship, typical one, the Samsung Galaxy S4. You can see that the Samsung Galaxy S4 is actually somewhat smaller than the Nokia Lumia 1020, but has almost half an inch of display, better screen to body ratios, although we can perhaps fault that to the pure view camera included. It's a very nice build actually. I find that the matte polycarbonate finish is quite handsome to look at, and it's also quite grippy as well. But that's all the time I have when it comes to unboxing this special Lumia 1020 package. Thank you, and I'll see you soon in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my videos as well, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you'll be alerted to my future videos as they are ready to arrive. Goodbye.